Do you want firmer, younger-looking skin without expensive treatments? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful natural oils that can help tighten your skin, boost collagen, and reduce wrinkles, all from the comfort of your home. But before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Let's get started. Oil number 1. Coconut oil, the ultimate moisturizer. Coconut oil is a skin firming powerhouse. It deeply hydrates the skin, improves elasticity, and helps in collagen production. Simply warm a few drops in your hands and gently massage it into your skin every night before bed. You'll wake up with plumper, firmer skin over time. Oil number 2. Argan oil, liquid gold for your skin. Argan oil, often called liquid gold, is packed with vitamin E and essential fatty acids that help tighten loose skin and fight wrinkles. Just take a few drops, apply it to your face, and gently massage in upward circular motions. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for daily use. Oil number 3. Rosehip oil, the wrinkle fighter. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and retinoids, which help boost collagen and improve skin elasticity. Apply 2 to 3 drops before bed and let it work overnight for smoother, firmer skin. It's especially great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Oil number 4. Castor oil, natural skin tightener. Castor oil is thicker than most oils, making it perfect for lifting and tightening the skin. It contains ricinoleic acid, which promotes collagen and hydration. Apply a few drops, massage it into your skin, and leave it on overnight for the best results. Oil number 5. Almond oil is rich in collagen-boosting nutrients. Almond oil is loaded with vitamins A and E, which help repair skin cells and keep your skin youthful. Just warm a few drops in your hands and gently pat it onto your face before bedtime. It nourishes, tightens, and gives your skin a natural glow. Bonus tip: face massage for better results. And here's a bonus tip: combine these oils with a 5-minute facial massage. This boosts circulation, enhances absorption, and naturally lifts your skin for even better results. These 5 amazing oils can truly transform your skin naturally. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next video.